In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail account in just 5 minutes. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll have a brand new email address ready to use. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser and head over to the Gmail website. You can simply search for Gmail in your preferred search engine or type in mail.google.com directly into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Create an Account. It's usually located at the bottom of the sign-in page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page where you can start entering your personal information. Now let's fill in your details. You'll see fields where you can input your first and last name. Make sure to enter them as you'd like them to appear. This will help others recognize your email when they see it. Next, you need to choose a username. This is a crucial part because it becomes your email address, ending with @gmail.com. Try to pick something that's easy to remember but also unique. If your first choice isn't available, don't worry, you'll get suggestions, or you can try a different variation. Once you have your username sorted, it's time to create a password. This step is important for keeping your account secure, so make sure to use a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Remember, the stronger your password, the more secure your account will be. Next up, Google will ask you to verify your phone number. Just go ahead and enter your mobile number and you'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter that code when prompted. This verification step is important for account security and it will also help in recovering your account if you ever forget your password in the future. Now the last few steps involve reviewing Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to browse through these thoroughly so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and accept the terms. And that's it. You now have your very own Gmail account. You're all set to start sending and receiving emails. Remember, you can customize your account settings, themes, and more, so feel free to explore and make it your own. Setting up a Gmail account is really that straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides like this one. See you next time.